how I got to know about DesignBoat. I was always into design, that feeling inside me, you know that. And then I did create a few screens on my own. So then what? I didn't know what to do with it, where and how to publish it, and who are my target audience and how to showcase that. Then I researched about it and I got to know that I was not even close to where I want to be. So I was a student in offline batch. The reason I chose offline was it was more convenient for me and I wouldn't lose any interest. So the feedbacks and suggestions that I got were on point. And then the duration of the course was 18 weeks. The 18 weeks just flew by, just like the blink of an eye, but totally worth it. So what I learned from DesignBoat is you have to stay consistent and the results eventually show up. So I'd like to thank my chill mentors, Sandeepan, Abhishek and Pawan, for their invaluable knowledge and insights to design screens and showcase the work in the right platform. That's it from my end. Thank you.